Hey everyone, it's Monica. Welcome back to my channel. We're talking about Portland leather goods today, and I have a Portland leather goods unboxing. I bought a bag on treat. This comes from Purse Pal Cat. Cat, thank you so much for being willing to let this bag go. Now, probably you've seen from the title, it is a slouchy bag, and it is in the color Empire. So here's a quick review about the color Empire. The first iteration of Empire came out and it looked like this. It's a royal purple color. It is soft, it is pebbly. You can see that there are some kind of veining and irregularities in the leather. It feels so great. And so there are a lot of people who are big fans of the original Empire leather. This, by the way, is a large circle bag, and I was lucky enough to get it pre-loved. I found it, I thrifted it, and I'm so glad that I have it in my collection. Early on, I thought I might pass it off to somebody else who would enjoy it, but I'm actually really glad that I kept it because I have a piece of original Empire in my collection. Now I believe I have 2 pieces of original Empire in my collection. Now, Empire went away for a little bit and we didn't see a lot of it. You could still find it in the buy-sell trade groups on Facebook. You could still find items in the original Empire on treat, but it really vanished from the website. Then recently, we started seeing newer bag styles coming in the color Empire, but this is a newer version of Empire. I feel like the leather is just slightly thinner. The pebbles are slightly smaller and much more uniform, you can see. The color is extremely close. I'm gonna hold both bags up in just a moment. And the slouchiness, the softness is all still there. And this, by the way, is the oversized Naomi bag. It has my everyday stuff in it right now. So here they are side by side. I do feel like the old Empire is just slightly darker, but also that could be just patina built up over time. So I'm very curious to unbox this new slouchy bag in the color Empire and kind of compare it with these two and just kind of geek out on the color Empire for a moment. Indulge me. Hey, if you enjoy my videos, I did start a Buy Me a Coffee page. It's linked down below. If you choose to support my channel that way, you might get a shout out in an upcoming video. One of my favorite YouTubers of all time used to do that, and I thought it was really fun. Let's get into this box. So it seems to be packed quite well with lots of extra paper. The bag is very well protected in a plastic bag as well that is not scented. Oh boy, I just got a glimpse of it. This is so exciting. I know that I said my slouchy collection might be complete, but that I was going to keep my eyes open for one in the original Empire. And when I saw this come up on treat, it was priced very fair and like a great deal. And I knew. I was like, I've been watching for this bag. Here it is. Here's my chance. And I took it. I don't think I'm going to be regretting my decision. So here is the slouchy bag. Oh, wow. Times like these, I wish you could feel what I'm feeling. What a wonderful leather. I'm very quickly going to transfer all my everyday carry stuff into this bag, and then we can check it out. From one Empire bag to another, here's my everyday carry stuff right now. Standing in for my phone, this is an iPhone 15 case. I have a square pouch in the color Orchid. I have a petunia pouch in smooth black, a small bifold wallet in a smooth red leather. I always forget the name of this one. When it comes to reds, I'm like chili red or bust, so I always have to think hard about what the name of this leather is. My squeeze eyeglass case in Stardust. Okay, everything is in this slouchy bag. If you're not familiar with the slouchy, it's just a basic rectangular shape, slightly trapezoidal. We've talked about that. It has 3 little trees on the front, and then the back is just blank. It has one strap. It is definitely a shoulder bag. And the shoulder bag has some holes for adjustment here. Right now it is set to the shortest setting, and I'm probably going to switch that out to the longest because that's where I like to wear it. The strap just threads right through a couple rings on that side, and this strip of leather continues down to the bottom from the strap on both sides. I think that's a really fun detail. This bag has a zip closure, which usually I'm not a zipper girl, but for the slouchy, I allow it. And you guys, this is what the slouchy really looks like. When it's all packed up, it has your stuff in it, it just develops this incredible slouch. It's irregular, it's casual, it's weird, it's unusual, but I just love how sculptural the leather becomes when you've got your stuff in it. and you're ready to wear it. Here is the large slouchy on me, again in the color Empire. I have the strap on the longest setting, and this is what she looks like with the 3 little trees showing. I always carry my bag on my right shoulder, and sometimes what I'll do, if I don't feel like showing the metal trees, and I just saw someone talking about this the other day that didn't like the metal trees, this is a reversible bag, so I can wear it this way as well. Actually, when I wear it this way, it's very easy to add a little piece of flare or 2 to these rings that are now in the front. Again, for reference, I'm about 5'1.5" women's XL, XXL. If you're feeling the urge to do any kind of shopping on Portland Leather Goods website, linked down below is my affiliate link. It'll get you 30% off any premium items. Just click the link, it'll take you directly to the website. Nothing's gonna change or look different initially, but at checkout, you'll notice that all of your premium items have come down in price by 30%. So it's a great deal for you, it's a great deal for me. I really appreciate those of you who are using my link and continue to do so. It means so much. So here we are, the newest slouchy addition to my slouchy family. Let's take a closer look. Real quickly, as a reminder, on the inside, the slouchy is just one open compartment. There's no pockets inside or outside. I think it has to be that way because we want the sides to slouch a lot, so we don't want multiple layers of leather. Empire is gorgeous on the inside, soft as can be. Zip closure, as mentioned. Now let's look at this particular slouchy. On the front here, this Empire is pretty evenly pebbled and pretty smooth. On the back, however, she is much chunkier. So these 2 pieces of leather definitely differ from one to the other. This is the kind of thing that you might see if you order from the Almost Perfect line on the website, is you might have a bag that the back piece of leather is slightly different in texture from the front. I think that's really beautiful. Leather is a natural product and I like the character and I like the variation. Here is how the slouchy compares to the circle bag. And again, these are both batches of the original Empire leather. It is such a pretty color. Just gorgeous, gorgeous color, gorgeous texture. And then here is how the slouchy compares to the oversized Naomi. Again, you can see the color is just about perfectly matched, but it's that texture. The new batch of Empire, the pebbles are just smaller and more even, more consistent, much more similar to the front side of this slouchy. You guys, I'm really excited about this slouchy. I love the character. I just love how Empire leather feels. Welcome home, slouchy. Thank you guys so much for watching today while I got to open my new slouchy bag. I am so excited. If you want to see the rest of the slouchies in my collection, I'll link that video for you. I'm sure throughout this video I've been linking all the slouchy videos that I've made up to this point. I hope you have a wonderful day. We'll see you next time. Bye.